Less Challenge. Your girl is co-hosting. You want to know what I made. I know you do. That's why you clicked on the thumbnail. You've already seen it. So, keep on watching. It is Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So today in this video, it is the Look for Less challenge, and I'm so excited. I'm excited to see what everyone has done. But before we do that, let me do my little spiel. Make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit on that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Also, make sure you check out the playlist as soon as you finish watching mine, and make sure you go check out Yami's video as well so you can see what she did. Now, I can get into what this video is all about. So, if you don't know what the Look for Less challenge is, it is basically finding an item that is a ridiculous price. No kidding. Finding an item that is really like just up there, you know? Something that you can possibly make for less and make it for less. So that is what I'm doing today, and that's what everyone is going to be showing you today, so make sure you check out that playlist. So my item, I went to Kirkland's, and I did not go to Kirkland's. I actually went online. So the decor piece that I chose is from Kirkland's, and this literally cost $30 at Kirkland's. I wouldn't pay $30 for it, but to be honest, the sign is just a little bit, well, it's a bigger than what I'm going to be recreating it as, but literally it's the same exact thing. So I think that one's like an 18 by 12, but I'm gonna be using an 8 by 10 frame. But either way, they're still both cute if you ask me, and you're making it for way less. So I'm super excited to show you guys this because this is like so easy. You can make this in less than an hour and have it up within the hour. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start with is the frame. So this frame, I got it from Walmart. It was $3.78. Online, it says it is $4.78. Don't know why, but get it from out of the store so you can save yourself $1. But I'm gonna have that link down below for you to check it out. But this frame is the exact same color that I need. So what I'm gonna do now is just disassemble the frame, and then I'm going to clean off the glass to get it prepped for spray painting. All right, so let's talk spray paint. So I'm gonna be using this Rust-Oleum Metallic Oil Rubbed Bronze spray paint. You can pick it up from Walmart. I'm using it for the texture. And then I'm going to also be using my chalkboard spray paint so it can have that black color. So I'm just gonna be alternating between the two. You don't have to do this. You can just literally go pick up some black spray paint. But if you DIY and craft all the time, I'm pretty sure you already have some spray paint or paint that you can use as well. But again, it's all up to you. So this is how your glass is gonna look after you are finished spray painting it. And now all you're gonna do is reassemble the frame. Okay, so this is what the glass is gonna look like when you add it back to the frame. As you can see, the texture that I was talking about. And now all I'm gonna do is take this gather sign that I got, the gather word from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99, and I used my 40% off coupon, and we're just gonna add that to the frame. So on the original sign on Kirkland's website, they actually have screws to hold the gather on there. So you can pick up some wood screws and drill you some holes if you want, or you can do like me and just use your glue gun or your E6000 and put this all together. Alright, so this is what it looks like when everything is put together. So the last step is I'm removing this ribbon because I cannot stand it. You can cut it off. I'm just ripping it off. And then after you do that, you're going to be able to either stand this up like a normal picture frame because you have that picture frame back, or you can flip it and you can hang it with the hangers that they already have provided for you, or you can add a sawtooth hanger to the back, which you can get for 97 cents at Walmart, or you can just add the command strip and you'll be all finished. All right, so as I always say, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.